Hello, this is log 6 of the game called SpacEscape. I have updated the ship's colors to be white since red is more of an enemy color, and I have also made some other improvements as well. For instance, now the player has a lock-on mode. That is a triangle that indicates where the player bullets will go. When the player increases his speed and the camera zooms out, the triangle goes forward as well. So if I slow down, the triangle goes down, but when I speed up, the triangle increases as well. Um, it's an indicator that the ship's speed has also been increased, basically. Um, Now, the triangle can indicate enemies, and whenever it does, the triangle locks on top of the enemy and starts rotating. However, there's a hidden indicator that actually stays on the enemy ship. And the reason of this is because when it locks on top of the enemy, its scale increases, but it starts to rotate on top of it. So like this one, it's just um, staying on top of it. But because the bullets shoot in front of the triangle, they actually still end up shooting at the enemy because there's a hidden indicator of where the bullets should go. So when the enemy is indicated, the bullets still fly at it, even though the triangle is on top. Um, Also, different enemies have different speeds, which is why the local mode has a condition for each and every single enemy. Um, like for example, the red guys are faster than the blue guys, so red guys will have a different way of being shot at. Um, Now, the HUD as of right now is set to be all white for debugging reasons, but I'll change it later on. Health bar is still under work, but as of right now, it does the job. I'll also add a temporary shield that can be picked up throughout the level, and when it's picked up, there's going to be a blue bar that fills on the top. That's going to be temporary. The city will also be interactable. I'll make it to where it's either an obstacle course where the player has to dodge the buildings, or you'll be at the point where the player has to use it to destroy the ships at his advantage. Um, the city would also have explosions that uh, spawn wherever the ships hit. So if the player hits this building right here, he'll end up getting damaged, but there'll also be like a small explosion that happens. Um, and I think that's all for this log.